If you are new to Excel or you have been using it for years and you don't know how to delete rows and columns in Excel, this video will help you out. There are different ways to do it, so I will show you all of them from basic level to advanced level. I will also show you how to add the rows and columns in Excel. So let me start by showing you how to add and delete columns. Maybe I want to add a single column before column D. Just select column D, right click your mouse, then click here on insert. There we have our new column. To delete it, because it is selected, right click my mouse, then click here on delete. What if now I want to add two columns before column D? So what I'm going to do is just select column D, then drag my mouse to column E, right click my mouse, then click here on insert. And there we have our two columns added. To delete the same, because they are selected, right click my mouse, then click here on delete. What about now to add scattered columns? Maybe I want to add a column before column B and column D. What I'm going to do, select column B, hold on control, then select column D, right click my mouse, then click here on insert. Now there we have our two columns added. To delete the same, select column B, hold on control, select column D, then right click my mouse, click here on delete. What about now if I want now to delete the content only on these columns? What I'm going to do is select maybe column B, that is where I want to delete the content, and leave the column there. I don't want to delete the column, I want to delete just the content inside it, inside the cells. So I select column B and column D where I want to delete the content, then right click my mouse, then click here on clear contents, and my contents are gone. To undo that, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Z, and we have our contents back. So that is how you can add and delete columns. Let me show you the keyboard shortcut of selecting and adding and deleting column. Maybe I want to select this column and maybe add the number of columns that I want before this column. What I'm going to do is just click anywhere on this column D. Maybe I can click there, then hold on control, then tap on spacebar on your keyboard, and our column is selected. Now to add a column using the keyboard shortcut is just holding on Control Shift, then tap on the plus sign on your keyboard like that, and there you can see I can add the number of columns that I want. So to delete the same columns, so just make sure you have selected that, then this time hold on Control, then tap on the minus sign on the keyboard like that, and they are deleted. So that is how you can use the keyboard shortcut to delete and add and select a column. Now what about now adding and deleting rows in Microsoft Excel? So if I want to add a row above this row number 9, I will just select row number 9, right click my mouse, then click here on insert. To delete the same row, because it's selected, right click my mouse, then click on delete, and it is gone. What about now adding maybe like 3 rows above this row number 8? So to add the 3 rows, I will select it from row number 8, drag my mouse downward up to row number 10. Then as you can see, I have 3 rows selected. Now I can insert 3 rows above row number 8. So I right click the mouse, then click here on insert. There I have now 3 rows added. To delete them, because they are selected, right click my mouse, then click here on delete. What about now adding scattered rows? Maybe I want to add a row above this row number 6. Let me highlight it, and maybe above row number 11. Let me also highlight it. So what I'm going to do, select row number 6, hold on Control, select number 11, right click my mouse, then click here on insert, and I have now 2 rows added above them. So to delete them, select that row, then hold on Control, select the other one, right click my mouse, click here on delete. What about now deleting the contents in the rows. Maybe I want to delete the contents in the highlighted rows. What I'm going to do is just now select them, select that, hold on control, select the other one. This time I'm not going to right click and click here on clear contents. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, which is tapping on the delete key like that, and the content is gone. To have the content back, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl Z. So I'll have now my content back. Now what if now I want to use the keyboard shortcut to select, add and delete the row. Maybe I want to select this row using the keyboard shortcut and add a row and add the number of rows above it. What I'm going to do is select anywhere in the row. Maybe I can select here. Then what I'm going to do now, this time I'm going to hold on shift, then tap on spacebar like that, it is selected. Then to add the row, hold on control shift, then tap on the plus icon like that. As you can see, I'm adding rows. To delete the rows, just hold on control only, then tap on the minus sign on the keyboard like that, and there you have deleted your rows. So those are different ways on how you can add and delete columns and rows in Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced. If you learned something in this video, kindly share it, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.